Hello, so this is a review of the video camera camcorder, digital YouTube vlogging camera recorder, kicteck, full HD, 1080p, 15 frames a second, 24 megapixel, 3.0 inch screen. So I got this camera, right here for Christmas for my 6-year-old son. And he's been enjoying it, haven't you? You like it, right? Okay. So this camera is a $64 camera. And it does really well for my 6-year-old. Some people might get it and be like, oh, why isn't it this quality right here, as you're seeing right here with this video right now? It's because this camera and equipment is all, I don't know, about $1,000. So a $64 camera versus a $1,000 camera or a $1,000 cell phone, there's going to be differences. So I'll show some footage from the $64 camera, and I think for $64, it's great. My 6-year-old loves it, and I think it's definitely a worthwhile investment for a young child who is just starting in their video producing career. So enjoy.
On thing. It's
What?
on video.
Alright, go over there and film me then. Or stand over there. Go over there.
I'm making it not shaky. Should I pause it real quick?
No, it's good. Fine. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like what you?
Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, right there. Good. This is a $64 camera. Pretty good for the price. So yeah, got it for my 6-year-old son, and it's doing well. Enjoy.
Hey guys, so I just got my video camera in the mail and I'm really excited. This is what the box looks like. This is an HD digital video camera. Here's the box. So let's open it up and see what's inside. There we go. Oh, okay, so it comes, oh, that's so nice. It comes with the cables to hook it up to a computer or a TV, looks like. That's awesome. This must be the camera itself. That's a pretty nice case. It's pretty solidly built, I would say. And then some other, this looks like, oh, it's a battery, okay. Oh, it comes with a spare battery too. That's really nice. And then it looks like a charging cord. Yeah. Or actually, if that's the battery, I don't know if that's a charging cord. Huh, okay. So then we have the user's manual. There's a little business card in there too. Okay, so I'm gonna look at the camera. Sit down, look at the camera. Oh wow, okay. So I got this camera because I really want to shoot a couple of YouTube videos, and I'll try to put the links to the YouTube videos in this video description. There we go, or this product description. So as you can see, it's got a nice handle. This is sewn in a really nice way. It looks like it's going to be sturdy and last for a while. I don't know. I'm gonna try putting the batteries in.
Okay, so here's the camera, and it comes in a case, like it comes with the case. Also the strap. And then, there's batteries. You just slip them in the back to get it working. And then, to like start filming, you have to pull this thing out. It says welcome. And then, here's the video. And then to use it, there's these little buttons that you push. You can do all that jazzy stuff. And to turn off your explosive. And to start and stop, click this button, or to take a picture. And then you take this out.